It is just very befitting that we're here today on this commemoration of the anniversary of one of the most horrific terrorist attacks on our nation's soil, in which I think there's about 3,000 people in the nation were killed. And during that time, about 300 firefighters and 72 police officers died in the line of duty, doing their job, trying to save and rescue those people that were involved in this great tragedy. You know, and every day, police officers respond to calls that deal with emotional issues in the community, people fighting with each other, the mentally ill, emotionally charged. Sometimes they just don't get along with each other. There's the sexual assaults, different things like that. Officers run to danger in an effort to stop the violence in our community, protect members of this community. Each year, over 100 officers die in the line of duty. And to date, in our nation, 73 police officers have died in the line of duty. As officers, we do this as part of our everyday job, thinking nothing of it. But sometimes there's occasions when we go above and beyond what we do on every day. Now, this is something that the fire departments do almost every day, but not police officers. So today I'm here to present an award, a life-saving award, to Officer Sean Williams. So I'd like to ask him to come up here, please. Officer Williams. Since I'm addressing the council, I don't know which way to have him stand, but stand right here for me for just a minute. Officer Williams has been with us for about 6 years. And today he's got some of his family members here, his wife Andrea, his 2 sons Cole and Jagger, his 2 daughters Emma and Bella, and his in-laws Kate and Fred Sika, his parents Janice and Kurt Williams, his sister Talina. I think I've got about everybody that's here, but with that I would then like to read the citation for this presentation. The Idaho Falls Police Department takes great pleasure in presenting the Life-Saving Award to Officer Sean Philip Williams for service as set forth in the following citation. On August 21st of 2014, Officer Williams responded to an assist call of a cardiac arrest. Officer Williams was the first to arrive and found a 69-year-old male unconscious with no pulse and not breathing. Officer Williams immediately started CPR and continued until EMS got there and took over the patient's care. His sergeant on duty recognized his heroic actions that helped prolong and save the life of this individual, as well as acting fire chief later sent me a memo indicating and commending Officer Williams, stating that his actions clearly prolonged the patient's life, providing him with the opportunity to recover from this event. So Officer Williams' actions and professionalism bring great credit to himself and the Idaho Falls Police Department and are keeping with the highest traditions of law enforcement. And with that, present Officer Williams with this life-saving award, and with that, there's a life-saving pin that goes on his Class A uniform. And I'd like to present this to Officer Williams and thank you very much for your service. Appreciate all of it.